Hello and welcome to Browsify. In today's video, we're going to show you how to add a blog page to your menus and header on Shopify. A blog is a great way to engage with your customers and share updates. Let's get started. First, log into your Shopify account. From the left-hand menu, go to Online Store and click on Navigation. This is where you can manage all your menus and links for your store. Next, we'll select Main Menu, where you can customize your store's primary navigation menu. This is the menu that customers will see at the top of your site. To add your blog page, simply click Add Menu Item, type blog as the name, and then select the blog link from the dropdown. After that, click Save to update the menu. Now, let's add the blog to the footer. Go to the footer menu. Click Add Menu Item, type blog, and then select the blog link. After that, click Save to update the footer menu. Now, we'll customize how your blog posts appear on the homepage. In your theme settings, click on Customize to open the theme editor. Here, you can enable the blog post section to display on your homepage. Once you've made the changes, your blog posts will now appear on the homepage, allowing visitors to easily access your content. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, comment with any questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more Shopify tips. Also, share this video with anyone who might find it useful. Hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload new videos.